Here I have Realme Narzo N53, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar and here you can find the button. Okay, so you can't find it just yet, but it will appear there soon. So firstly you go to settings, then you go to network and internet, and then to the hotspot and tethering. So here you can enable hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, here you can change its security web protocol, here you can change its password, you can also change its AP band, you can set privacy MAC name or address. You can turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. You can set up maximum amount of connections. You can set it to have hidden SSID, and you can use whitelist mode. And here you can add devices to whitelist. So yeah. And after you enable hotspot once, now this button will appear here at the upper bar, and now you can switch it here too. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.